Hey guys, let's see how to have a Tapo C615 running on a computer, in this case a Windows computer. So I have a Dell laptop and here I have my cell phone running the Tapo app. So the idea is just to use the same app that I use on my cell phone here on my laptop, okay? So you see here that I have the Tapo C615 already working. That's the first step. I assume that you have your camera working as well with your cell phone. It doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or Android. And then you can have the same app working here. So for a Windows PC, you just need to use an emulator like the BlueStack. So you just need to go to the BlueStack.com and download this emulator, install it, and then when you open, you wanna see there's a lot of advertisement running, but that's just the way it works. You just need to use the way, and you can install any application that you can install on your Android cell phone, for example. You can install here on this emulator. So when you open it up, just come here to the search bar and then look for Tapo. And now it's very important to come down and click on the search in Google Play. That way you can find the Tapo app. You see here, it's a TP-Link Tapo. You just need to install this one. I already have it here, so I just click open. And then you just need to log in with your account, your Tapo account, and you're good to go. I have my account already here, so I just logged in before, so I have the screen working. And here's the Tapo C615, okay? So I just click here, and it's going to load the camera, and I have the information here about the firmware update. And from here I can control my camera. You see here that I can just use everything that I use on my cell phone. I can go to the settings, I can come here and control the pan and tilt, basically moving the camera from here, just using the mouse. Right? Super great, works pretty fine no matter where you are, because it's the same way that works on your cell phone. As long as you have internet connection, you're gonna have the Tapo camera working on your PC as well. You just need to have the advertisement running here, but other than that, it works pretty fine, okay? So hope that helps. That's the way you can have your Tapo C615 working on a MacBook, and it works with any other Tapo as well. I have another video here in the channel explaining how to set up the camera. If you don't have the camera working on your cell phone yet, just click here and watch this next video. So subscribe to this channel, leave your comments, and I see you in the next one.